Hey, it's Guard here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the control up here on the wall to run the Truma air conditioner. So when you first come up to this, you might see a P or an A and some numbers. Don't worry about that. That's actually the time, believe it or not. It's 1:31 p.m. and you can adjust that. If you turn off power, let me just show you what I'm talking about. If I turn off the power to the coach and I shut everything down, all right, see, it disappeared. So when I turn it back on, I'm powering up my Li3 and see the time's off. So to fix that, all you have to do is, well, come into it like this, select the button, rotate this knob until you see the little clock blinking, and then press it. And now you can set the time. It's 1, press that, it's 1:30. But I didn't set the AM, so you have to roll out all the way through. There we go. And now you have a set clock. So that's just a little extra bonus here in the video. But back to the air conditioning part, let's work on the air conditioner. I'll show you how you do this. So you come up to it, it's just like a screen, you press the button, and the little vehicle is blinking. Because whatever you rotate the knob to, whatever's blinking, if you press it, that will select that. This area brings you back a screen. So we're going to press it. It's blinking right there, so we're going to select that. And you see it says off. And the reason it says off is because my inverter's off right now, and I'm not plugged in. And all I can control is the furnace. So in order to run the air conditioner, you have to either be plugged in to a shore power, or if you're an Li3, you have to turn on your inverter. If you're an AGM battery, you have to start your generator. So that's the source of power. So we'll come back over here, and now I just enabled my inverter, and when I press the button now it says heater, and I can roll over to AC. So I press it to select AC. Vent is only the fan. Cool is you set a temperature and it'll go to that temperature, and the fan will stay whatever speed you have it set at. Auto, you set a temperature and it'll reach that temperature. It'll turn off the compressor also, but it'll also select the fan speed automatically to suit the needs of the cooling as the computer in the Truma figures out. So we're going to go back here to AC. We're going to select that. We're going to put it on cool. It's kind of cool out right now. I want to set this thing down. The lowest you can set it to is 60. I'll put it on 62. And now the fans come on, and you can see right there, I've got one pedal or one blade. If I roll over here, I can set my fan speeds down to low, mid, and now you get two fan blades. Or I can put it on high, and all 4 of them. We'll put it back on low just for the sound. Okay. And if we come over here, I can see right now that I'm using 24 amps. That's because some lights are on, the fan's on, and the other little parasitic draws that the coach uses. It's usually like 1 or 2 amps all the time with nothing on. And it takes about 3 minutes for the air conditioner to figure out to turn the compressor on, because it's going through a startup process right now. And the air's transferring, it's going through the fan over the thermostat inside the air conditioner, and it'll turn on the compressor when it deems it's time. It's all the logic involved inside the electronics of the air conditioner. And it usually takes about 3 minutes, so I'll just wait for a few minutes here and we'll start the video back up. Alright, the compressor just kicked in, and now we're up to 87 amps. And you can see there's not much sound difference. Alright. Alright, and there's not much sound difference. There's a little slight hum as the compressor kicks in, so you'll know it's kicked in. And now the air will start cooling. And it takes a few minutes for everything to cool down, but the air going in at 73. It's kind of nice out right now in Georgia. And see, it's already like, it's dropped. It's about 5 degrees cooler right now. So it's going to take just a little while. It takes usually about 4 or 5 minutes for it to start really cooling down good. But it's cool out, so it doesn't have to work real hard right now. All right, so that's how you start up the air conditioner. You can come over here and you can set your temperature. For example, if it's too cold, you can raise it up to a temperature you like. I'm gonna say 79 right now, and then you can hear the compressor. Oh, it's already shut off because it's so cool in here. That's why I wasn't really blowing cold air. It's really nice in the van right now. It's like 72 degrees. Can't beat that. But anyway, so that's how you adjust your temperature, how you start it. And when you turn off the air conditioner, when you're done for the day, this is really important, is you want to come in here, you want to have the icon blinking. You see the little snowflake up there, that means the air conditioner's on. Hit air conditioner, push it down to cool, and hit off. I mean, rotate it until you see the word off, and then press it, and that'll start blinking. You see the snowflake's gone. You can always go back and look at it, because if you hit that, you can see that AC is off. All right, so give it a few minutes to shut down, completely cycle off, and then you can turn off your inverter or turn off your generator or unplug from the power pedestal. But you don't want to just turn off the inverter when the air conditioner is running, or unplug from the pedestal while the air conditioner is running. In fact, when you pull into a campground, if your air conditioner is running, like off of the generator or off the inverter, shut the air conditioner down, and then turn off your generator, turn off your inverter, plug in the camper, your van, into the power pedestal. After the power comes up, then you can restart your air conditioner. But just don't turn off the air conditioner, the inverter, or the generator while the AC is running. It's not really good for the air conditioner. But that's it. So now we can come over here and we can turn off the inverter, and now we're all set. And you can see that my power, I'm back using 9 amps right now. I got a bunch of lights on, so if I turn off these lights, all right, and now I'm 2.6, and that's usually, it takes, can you see me? Is there no light? See. Okay, so that's 2.6 amps, because the van's always going to be using some power to run the carbon monoxide detector, or just some of the electronics, the propane relay, solenoid relay, that's using power too. So that's what you want to see, about 2 amps. It's just everything off. All right. Well, if you got any questions, drop a comment in the video if you liked it. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. And if you got anything else you need, just let me know. I'm here to help as much as I can. Thanks, everyone. Go out and have a great day. Bye.